In this video, I'll be showing you how to pre-record your classes as lecturers using the Microsoft Team application and the Microsoft Whiteboard application. Firstly, I want to believe that you have already downloaded the Microsoft Team app and you have started using it. Secondly, you would have to download the Microsoft Whiteboard application. So search for download Microsoft Whiteboard app in your web browser. Click on the very first link and then click on Get to download the application. Follow the subsequent installation instructions. Also, the link for download would be available on the website, the school's website, under the e-learning page. After downloading the app, log in with the username and password provided to you that you use for your Microsoft Teams. Please note that that's also your official email address, so you can use it to log into any Microsoft app. You can use it to log into Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, so it has a fully registered license, Microsoft license. When you're logged in, you can now minimize the Microsoft Whiteboard app. Open up your Microsoft Teams, click on Calendar, click on Meet Now, and then you can title your class that you're about to pre-record. Title it Algebra, and then click on Join Now. Note that you're the only one in this meeting, you're the only one in the class, so you're only pre-recording your class. Click on the More Actions button, click on Start Recording. It's very important to start recording before doing any other thing. Click on Share, and then click on Share Desktop Screen. So this allows you to share your desktop and any other application that you open on your desktop. You can now open up your whiteboard and then lecture your students. So this way you're lecturing and they can hear your sound, they can hear your voice while lecturing, so you can explain your notes while lecturing them. You can also check for previous whiteboard notes that you have done. It saves automatically, by the way, so you can check for previous whiteboard notes that you have prepared. So this is a previous whiteboard note I prepared. You can insert templates, you can insert PDFs, you can insert Word or PowerPoint. You can also add notes, delete. You can also insert text, so just like I did here, integrate. Okay, so you can also insert text. You can basically do a lot of things here. Just teach the students basically. You can also change the format of your background to graph. So this is where I changed the format of this background to graph in order to draw those graph lines. And then note that the Microsoft Whiteboard application saves automatically as long as you're online. So you can, when you're done, you can minimize, go back to Teams, and then go back to Teams and then click on Stop Sharing. Click on More Actions and then Stop Recording. It prompts you to tell you that once the recording is processed, it will be saved in Microsoft Teams and to be added to the meeting chat. You can now hang up the call and go to your meeting chat where the recording is being saved. Also note that it might take a while for the recording to save, because based on the length of your class. So if the class is a bit lengthy, a 1-hour class might take about 5 minutes to save on cloud. Also, you can go back to the whiteboard and post the whiteboard that you have used to the team. So just click on Settings and click on Post to Teams. click on the particular theme. It shows all your courses automatically, and then click on the particular theme that you want to post it to. Click on post. So it shows that it's been posted. Also, the meeting has been recorded and it's shown here. You can also click on more options, click on share, and then copy. Note that it's under your chat, so it has not been posted to your students yet. So you have to copy and then send it to the teams that you want to post it to. Can paste, and then they get the link there. Also, the whiteboard that was shared has appeared in the post section, so the students will be able to click on the link and see the whiteboard you shared with them. In the next video, I'll be explaining how to harness these features using your mobile app, which is more user-friendly than using the desktop app.